Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we'll try to explore the basic commands of Docker. What we'll try to do is to pull an image, and that image would be nginx. And then from there, we'll try to run that, and let's see. Okay, let's get started. So first, I'll check my Docker version. So I got here 28.3.0. And then let's check our images locally. So these are the images that I have. So currently I don't have the nginx image. So what I can do is pull it. So I can say nginx, the latest one. So let's give it a few seconds and let's wait to finish. Okay, so it's now pulling from the library, and yeah, so it's downloading your image from nginx latest. So after we have downloaded it, so probably we could double check again from the images if it is there. Yeah, so it's there. Now currently we don't have any running container, but the moment we try to docker container run, and then let's say D for detach, and then let's say my engine X, meaning we could give it a name, my nginx, and then for the port, let's expose 8080 for the 80 port, and then yeah, nginx latest. Error response. Oh, okay, so it's already used. Let's give it 2 there. Then let's say docker ps. So I got here my container image. So let's say we want to try it out. So let's try it out. I'll try to open the localhost 8080. So it says here, welcome to nginx. Yeah. Okay, so let's try to remove it from the Docker containers. So what I'm thinking is, so docker remove. Oh no, let's try to remove it without stopping. Okay, so my image name cannot remove container because it's running, so that's why we need to stop it. So docker stop nginx. So let's say docker ps now. It's no longer there. We could now remove it. So rm nginx2. There you go. So when I try to so it's not working now. When I try to reload it, it's no longer working. So yeah, PSA. Now going back, let's show the images. Oh yeah, images. Then for the last time, let's try to run it again. So docker, we could also use docker run and then detach. Then let's say my name, my nginx3. For the port again, 8080 for the outside, and then there you go. So it's now running docker ps to load the containers, and yeah, it automatically loaded for us. So thank you guys, thank you for watching the video. Cheers and bye bye.